It is 1 week later. Yippee! I'm so excited. This is my second canvas for painting, and it's all dry. This one is unique because wow, it's sliding. It was tight on this. It's got some shine spots from the silicone. So there's a shine spot here. Just sporadically. I think some of those are the ones that I put the toothpick dots on. So the way my mind is matrixing this, and I can't guarantee you see the same thing as me, but my mind is seeing this. On this angle, Behr, honey, your ear. My poor baby, he's got bad allergies. He's itching his ear. I gotta put his cone on right after this. Sorry. So basically on this angle, this just looks like it's a bubbling, brewing, magical, I guess you could say, maybe a hot tub, a spring, a primordial soup. Yeah. And there's a frog on like a lily pad that is kind of overlooking the masterful pieces of this. So that's what I see on this angle. I see like an upside down head. It's kind of weird. I see like a worm to the spine, and his body's laying down. I don't know what that's about, but that's how I see it, even though it's upside down. When I turn it this way, I see the same, wormy head looking down, but I start seeing like a face here that looks that way. I see some kind of weird moon thing right here. It's kind of like a gemstone-y mineral primordial soup still. I mean, you got little mind matrixing things, not too much, but when I turn it like this, we're seeing a little more faces. I'm seeing a face that's looking down. This is like a nose and an eye socket, and this is the back of the head. And I see these as like bubbles that come up, kind of like jellyfish bubbles. That's kind of what they remind me of jellyfish bubbles in this angle. Again, there is the final side that has the most visual matrixing and activity. And this is the side that was facing me down like this. And I started saying, oh, I see characters, because I do. So, we're going to start here. This looks like the eye socket. This looks like a big nose. That looks like a mouth. This looks like a cool helmet thing. And this looks like his hand coming towards you. This looks like his hand coming away from you. It looks like his body's right here, and he's standing on a magic leaf ride in the middle, kind of like on a lily pad or a pond, kind of coming through. This one still looks like a face in the same way as tilted the other angle, but what I saw here is there's like a turkey vulture with a weird 90-degree hook there, and it's got a funky tongue coming out, and there was like some kind of essence coming out at the head, like it's blowing thoughts into the mind of this guy. And you can also see like the turkey, so you got the eye here, you got the neck, you got the body, you got the leg and the foot. So it kind of looks like a bird, turkey, vulture type thing in a mystical land. And these just kind of look like things that are forming and coming out, or they're going away. And you still got the head. Now it looks like it's laying down, and it looks like he's sliding down and falling, this neck spine wormy thing. So when you do these, buy these, you never know. And when you create them, you never know what you're gonna pour. So it's been 1 week for this one. It's got like another week to cure, and then I'm gonna start, you know what? I don't think there's a wrong way. I'm going to dab up some of this oil right now. Maybe that'll help in the long run. There's no paint coming off. But if I dab some of this oil now, when I go to clean it, it'll even be less moist from the oil, I think. And then that way it will be easier to clean, because I still got to clean my first canvas. I've been in a lot of activities. I'm really challenging all my memory on all my devices, because I've done scrunchie drops. I've done eating downtown in Las Vegas at a restaurant. I've been all over the place. And this device says I only have like 30 minutes left to record on. My other device, something like 120 gigs. I have like 110 used of it, but it's not emptying the trash, the other device. It tells me I have to wait 30 days for the trash to empty on that one, which I think is absolutely crazy. Crazy. Don't get me started. So between this device, between my other device, and I have a new fancy camcorder that I gotta learn how to do more stuff with. And with the camcorder, I guess I might do more wide version videos, and then do the tall videos on this one and save it. But yeah, I'm just wiping the excess oil right now. And the nice thing, like I said, about the box, it's right against the canvas. You don't risk canvas damage on pushing and rimming it like you do if it's free fall. Plus, when you paint pour, no canvas sag. So if you can get a box, if you can design like a square plate that fits like most of this, and no matter what canvas, you just make square plates that fit in them, you're gonna prevent canvas sag and be happy. Maybe take like a netted mesh. If you can find a cookie sheet that's got an airflow under it that provides support and so forth. Let's see. Yeah, that took a lot of that oil shine off. So in a week, we'll be prepping this baby. I'm hoping in the next night or two to do a video of prepping my first canvas, like cleaning it, to put a varnish on it. Or my acrylic. I'm gonna go with this, I think. All right. Thank you for watching. I enjoy everyone. Put a comment down below if you have something that makes this easier. Maybe I'm missing something, but like just doing this with a dry paper towel, I'm not seeing any paint, and I'm rubbing decently. I'm actually rubbing decently. This has taken off a lot of the oil, so I'm going to watch a few more videos and make a decision. Am I going to use Windex? Am I going to do rubbing alcohol? Am I going to use dish soap? Am I going to use baby powder? I don't know, diatomaceous earth, but diatomaceous earth you don't want to breathe in. You can use flour. You can use many different things to absorb and dry it up. So, all right, that's all I got. I'll see you in the next video.